about video background and will be playlist and connected to database as well. And the script I give you sharing, and you can download. Just download it, and after download you have to copy to your this one, and like what I have here. You can just creating files, and the inside file you have to like uploading video, or after that we what we calling you have to creating the all database table, like you will follow from this script. Now I'm gonna to open the script, and this script is very simple and easy one for all. So like you can see now, this is only flying like CSS and JavaScript and PHP MySQL and connector. Okay, this is the one video upload, and then this is the structure of this database. So ID, title, attach, and then the table name is the video upload will be, and then database name video, and this is the table name video upload, and the attach is for the video. All right, and this one. So what I'm going to do now is just I'm going to example now where we can try this one is here in the video file. In the video file now it is empty. All right, so this one empty, like sample slideshow. Okay, all right, now here sample slideshow. So I'm going to import the video table to be a value. So I have in the files this I download from Fixture. This is as well. I will rename just video 1, and this will be video 2, and this will be video 3, and this will be video 4. Before this, I want to see how longer this one for playing, because it will no need to take more time. Okay, I will connecting now this 30 second. Okay, all of them only 30 second. 1 2 3 4. All right, so now I'm going to sample video 1, like here 1.mp4. So I'm going to import now. Second thing is just I will import again video 2, and here 2.mp4, and then here will be like video 3.mp4, just direct in the value video, and then here will be 4. So now this should be playlist for video. Okay, so in this part video, it will be after finish will be repeat to the video beginning as well. So here how going to do this one. This is the going to the file. The connector is in the file. The video is in the file here, and this is the script. Okay, now we'll play. See, look at guys, it is very perfect and looking nice. See, now video 2. Okay, and then should be after 33 seconds. Video 2 little bit longer, like look 36 seconds, and we can. So now video 4. See, we can see in the debug size. Now it's video 4. Now it's loading here. This is the full screen. This is the full screen, and after 4 come back again to 1. After completing what they have, like how many seconds here? 23 seconds for them. Video 4. Now video 1 again. I thought yes. Is it going to change now video 2? See, now video 2. 32 seconds for the video 2. So this, if you have like video background in your website, so you can keep it this technique, this script is really very simply for you and very useful. For the video background, maybe you have video or advertising video background on for you. Now let's come back again to the one. Alright, so how's running this if you are keeping like script or you have to design yourself, maybe div id something else, whatever you are doing. This is for the content, you have to keep that CSS test. Okay, test sample background. So I'll save it this, let us refresh it, or so. Okay, so you have to adjust yourself, guys, to be not showing this this is video background is working fine, and look at this is the one. So you can play more to be fully this one, you can making top for something else, or this is a sample like video background is working fine. So I will remove it, this one, refresh it, it'll be full. This is the video background. So guys, this is the script very easily for making this video background for you, and enjoy. Keep again. Alright, see, if you are on the top of this one, so you can play here, you can creating like CSS, creating additional CSS to making the video background, but this is totally video background is working fine. So if you are going to fly inside of this, CSS will be looking more good and then nicely. Alright, see, now you keep it here, will be showing that, and if you keep it here, I will show you something just little bit trick for you. You can keep it all your content here, or you can creating another CSS. So I'm creating like this. Look at, guys, this slideshow is working fine, guys. Okay, guys, enjoy. Thank you very much.